Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Technology Sahayak. If your phone gallery app or album app not working. So how to solve it? Most of the problems with gallery application or album application are mainly permissions setting related. So in this video I will show all settings related to permission setting. So anyway, let's start at how to fix the problem. At first go to phone settings. Go to app settings or app management settings or application settings. These settings are named differently on different phones, so hopefully you know where to go depending on the system. After entering the app settings, go to the gallery or album app and press on it. Now press the force stop. After that press on storage. And clear cache data from the storage. No data will be deleted from your phone memory through this data clear. Now go to back. Go to permission settings. This is the most important to fix problem. Here, you will see all the permissions of that apps. Turn on all the permissions from here. Now restart your phone once. Check if your problem is solved. Friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.